How to make viral VFX videos with Higgsfield AI. Have you ever scrolled through your feed only to be stopped dead by one of those insane VFX videos that look like a Hollywood editor made them in a secret underground studio? The fire effects, the explosions, the cinematic zoom outs, the transformations. And then you think, okay, who are these people? Where did they get these skills? Today, you're about to find out something that might shock you. Because those viral videos you've been seeing everywhere, the coffee cup teleportation, the Earth zoom out shots, the freeze frame transformations, the floating in air effects, they aren't coming from professional studios. They aren't even coming from After Effects wizards. Most of them come from one tool, a single AI tool that basically rewrote the rulebook. It's called Higgsfield AI. And what makes it even crazier? Anyone can use it. Like literally anyone. Zero editing skills, zero VFX experience, zero learning curve. Today, I'll show you exactly how people are creating these viral VFX videos, including how they clone themselves, how they burn themselves on fire, how they create FPV drone shots without a drone, and even how they generate unlimited AI images of themselves to feed into these effects. And by the end of this, you'll know how to make videos that look like they belong in a movie trailer, using nothing but your phone and Higgsfield. The first thing you have to understand is this. Higgsfield looks overwhelming when you open it for the first time. The homepage, the animations, the effects, the tabs. It feels like stepping into the cockpit of a spaceship. But the secret is, you really only need one section to get started. You scroll down, past the banners, past the promo, and then you see it. Visual effects. This is the doorway to everything. You tap on it, and suddenly, it's like stepping into a toolbox filled with magical powers. Fire, ice, explosions, invisibility, flying, money rain, duplicate self, lightning strikes, teleportation, all of them sitting there as ready-to-use templates. And the funniest thing, every effect comes with its own built-in prompt, meaning you don't need to write anything. You don't need to describe anything. You just upload your photo, and it handles the rest. But here's where the real magic begins. People often think, I don't have good pictures for this. I don't have cinematic shots. My photos are just me in my room. But that's exactly where Higgsfield flips the game. Because later, I'll show you how creators generate unlimited AI photos of themselves. Running, posing, laughing, standing on mountains, walking in neon cities, even if they've never stepped outside their home. And once you understand how that works, you can turn any template into your own personalized cinematic sequence. But before we go there, let me show you the part that actually makes people's jaws drop. Back inside the visual effects section, you select something like Money Rain. It opens up a panel with a preview image and an example video someone already made. And right below it, there's a simple button, Recreate. Press it, and now you're inside the creation dashboard. This is the part that shocks most beginners because it looks too easy. You remove the default photo, upload your own, set the duration, choose your resolution, always go for 1080p, press generate, and suddenly, your screen lights up with a video that looks straight out of a viral TikTok page. But here's something sneaky. A lot of creators online, they actually recreate the exact same poses and scenes from the templates. They literally download the image Higgsfield uses, replace the face with their own, and then reinsert it to duplicate that exact viral effect with their own identity. Which brings us to the secret engine behind everything, character training. This is where Higgsfield truly becomes scary. The good kind of scary. The future is here kind of scary. You go back to the homepage and click on character. This is where you create your digital clone. Higgsfield asks you for a data set. What that really means is simple. A bunch of photos of yourself, all from different angles, expressions, lighting, and places. The more variety, the better the clone. You upload 20 or 30 or 40, up to 70 photos. Side profiles, front profiles, you smiling, you being serious, you outdoors, you indoors. Higgsfield analyzes each one, ranks them by quality, and starts building your digital identity. Once it finishes, you get something that feels unreal. A model of yourself that you can use in any environment, any outfit, any pose, any lighting, any cinematic shot you can imagine. You type, man walking on a city street at night with neon reflections. Boom, there you are, standing in a desert with wind-blowing sand around. Boom, that's you again. Dressed like a futuristic soldier with glowing armor. Instant, perfect. Your face, your style. And here's why this matters. When you recreate template VFX effects using these custom images, the results go massively viral because they feel real, polished, and personal. People literally think you hired a photographer, rented a set, and edited your own CG effects. But no, you just let Higgsfield do the heavy lifting. Now, you're probably thinking, okay, but what about those crazy Earth zoom-out videos? Or the FPV drone shots people keep posting? That's where the fun really begins. Inside the change section, you'll find multiple video models, each specializing in a different style. Higgsfield for the viral effects, Minya for motion C-dance for artistic movement, VO3 for stylized animation. But the one everyone talks about, the one that breaks the internet? It's the FPV drone feature. Here's how it works. You upload a landscape photo, a mountain shot, a city skyline, a beach, a forest, and Higgsfield transforms it into a fast-moving, realistic FPV drone video. It tilts, it dives, it rotates, it accelerates. If you didn't know better, you'd swear someone flew a drone through that environment. This is the exact trick creators are using for those epic cinematic B-roll videos all over Instagram. No drone, no camera, just one image. But we're not done. Higgsfield added something new, something no one saw coming. It's called mix. You take two effects, say running plus on fire, and combine them. You adjust the sliders, you press generate, and suddenly you have a video of yourself sprinting while being engulfed in flames, with smooth, realistic movement. No tracking, no masking, no editing. People see it and think, who did this for you? How did you film this? What software do you use? And you just smile because the answer is, you didn't film anything, you didn't animate anything, you didn't edit anything, you just clicked. And now for the final feature, the one that is going to explode in popularity over the next few weeks. Draw to video. You literally take an image, draw on top of it. Maybe you add text, maybe you sketch a sword in someone's hand, maybe you draw a lightning bolt above your head. And Higgsfield recreates the entire video with your drawing embedded in motion. Want a portal opening behind you? Draw a circle. It turns it into glowing energy. Want a jetpack? Draw two rectangles. It transforms them into realistic propulsion engines. Want a sword with lightning? Draw a line. It turns it into a cinematic effect. This is the feature that will make the next wave of viral creators. So here's the truth. Higgsfield isn't just another AI tool, it's a shortcut to viral content. A way to compete with big creators without needing a studio. A way to generate visuals people can't ignore. You can create VFX movie shots in your bedroom. You can build cinematic sequences from a single photo. You can clone yourself digitally and drop into any world you want. You can mix effects, create illusions, animate your drawings, and produce moments that stop people mid-scroll. This is the closest we've ever been to filmmaking without filmmaking. And if you want more advanced tutorials like this, more breakdowns, more strategies, and more tools to stay ahead of the AI curve, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you never miss what's coming next. Because this new era of AI filmmaking, we're just getting started.